Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Make sure you have Game Pass Ultimate and your EA account credentials ready. On console or PC, find an EA Play title inside Xbox Game Pass and launch it. Once the game attempts to run, Xbox will present the EA sign in/or linking prompt. Do not back out. This initial launch is the trigger that begins the only supported linking flow, so proceed to sign in when prompted and prepare to connect the two accounts. When prompted, sign in with your EA credentials exactly as requested. If you see a code, open the EA activation page on a phone or PC and enter it. Once signed in, accept the permissions Xbox asks for so the accounts can share subscription status and game entitlements. Make sure the email shown is correct, because that determines the linked EA account. After consenting, the console or PC will confirm the link. Once linked, check that EA Play benefits appear in your Game Pass library and that EA titles launch without extra purchase prompts. If you still see locked content, sign out of Xbox and the EA account, reboot the device, and clear local cache or reinstall the EA app or console system update. This resolves token or entitlement delays. If problems persist, unlink and relink the EA account as a last resort. Remember, most failures are timing or cache issues, so retry after a full restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.